Every year, thousands of people dream of building a better future in Italy, but too many fall into the traps of fake agents, fraud, and uncertainty. That's why we're here, to help Bangladeshi job seekers follow the legal path under Decreto Flussi 2026. Decreto Flussi is Italy's official work visa quota program that allows non-EU citizens, including Bangladeshis, to work legally in seasonal and non-seasonal jobs, such as agriculture, hospitality, and tourism, construction and industry, domestic and care work. Choosing the legal channel protects your money, your time, and your future. With a valid nulla osta and work visa, you get legal entry, fair contracts, and a pathway to stability. No illegal brokers, no fake promises, no exploitation. To make your journey easier, BDS has created a one-page printable checklist and a professional employer email template to help you. Understand the step-by-step application timeline, contact real Italian employers legally, prepare all required documents in advance, avoid scams and common mistakes. Just email us at info@BDS.VISION to get your checklist and start preparing early. Legal migration changes lives. If you or someone you know wants to work in Italy in 2026, do it the right way. Download your free checklist and start your journey now.